This is what comes out of those bags that you buy at the store. Compost. Seed starting mix. Really? This is what happens. This is the good stuff. Run it across that sifter. We'll see how it works. Just keep watching. I'm here to show you. Quarter-inch hardware cloth will clean this right up. This old batch of a potting soil is 2 years old. I had carrots in it for seed saving. Just rub this around at a leisurely pace and think about all the seeds you can start in this stuff. Waste the time away. Watch the birds and bees. You can also use it with topsoil. Throw it around your plants. It'll break down quicker and feed your soil. This brand of mulch has some big chunks of wood in it. It'll take them right out of there, and you can put them things right over in your compost bin. And this is the result that you get out of that. Nice fine mixture, good for anything. Making mud balls, sticking it in your wife's shoes. I use a good organic fertilizer to help refresh all that. Put that stuff right in a bag, old used bag that I saved, and have a good old storage area. I can seal, keep the moisture out, and it's ready to go.